Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to uninstall Linux Partition in dual boot Windows and Linux. Select Windows Boot Manager. Type Disk Management in Windows search bar, click Disk Management. Delete partition without drive letter. Extend partition. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type disk part. Type list space, disk. Type select space, disk space, 0. Type list space, partition. Select your system partition. Type assign space, letter equal to Z. Type cd space, EFI. Delete Ubuntu folder. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.